Imagine if you could add more hours to your day, be in two places at once, or double your output without doubling your effort. What would it mean? More opportunities? More clients? More revenue? A stronger, more successful business? Welcome to Matterport's 2025 winter release, Productivity Multiplied. We're building on our last release with new tools that elevate property marketing, enhance collaboration, and simplify updates to your digital twins. Today, we're introducing Marketing Cloud, a new custom-built experience that gives real estate agents and property marketers access to premium media, far surpassing the value of traditional photography alone. Marketing Cloud is powered by Matterport Property Intelligence, our advanced AI trained with insights from over 50 billion square feet of digitized properties. From a single digital twin, Property Intelligence delivers a world-class media package typically reserved for the most exclusive listings, complete with floor plans that highlight the layout and flow, accurate dimensions, and automatic property descriptions. High-resolution photos from any angle and professional-grade videos for social media. Property Intelligence also helps real estate agents showcase properties with unimpeded clarity, giving prospective buyers the confidence they can't get anywhere else. Forget moving trucks and manual labor. Instant Defurnish lets you create a clean slate with a single click. From there, you can integrate all of your property's information and media directly into the MLS. Property Intelligence handles the daily tasks that take up your time or just slow you down, making you more productive so you can focus on winning more listings. Marketing Cloud simplifies the property marketing process, from ordering a complete media package to sharing it with clients and tracking performance for you. With just a few clicks, you can order Matterport Digital Pro. Simply provide details about your property, and a capture technician will deliver your all-in-one, state-of-the-art media package directly to your new Marketing Cloud account within 1 to 2 business days of being scanned. Property Intelligence isn't just transforming property marketing, it's making facilities management, design, and construction easier and more efficient. Think of the time saved when large spaces are brought online for remote teamwork, virtual inspections, and real-time updates. With our new merge functionality, multiple team members can scan a space simultaneously, combining their work into a single digital twin. This means faster digitization. 5 people scanning gets the job done 5 times quicker. It also keeps everyone on the same page. Your entire team can collaborate in one digital twin, with annotations and updates preserved even after rescans or revisions. All your tags, edits, and content carry over seamlessly, ensuring your data stays consistent. Better yet, you can now add field tags directly as you scan, so your annotations are accurate from the start. These tags are automatically included in the final digital twin, saving time and cutting down on the need for extra site visits. Every tool we build is designed to make your business more efficient, including our upcoming time travel feature. This will let you explore your digital twin at various stages of completion, virtually see through walls, and track progress as your space takes shape. With each new automation, Matterport Property Intelligence uncovers deeper insights from your digital twins, giving you smarter tools to transform your spaces and the way you work. From Marketing Cloud to field tags to time travel, Matterport is constantly evolving, making your spaces more valuable and accessible than ever. That is the power of productivity multiplied.